How to sell upcycled fashion items on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products from a lot of sellers who are making a lot of money as well. And here we have a lot of categories to work on, like the jewelry and accessories, which is a pretty famous category, clothing and shoes as well, home and living, and so on. And here we have a lot of products, and most of them are handmade products. Let's just check one of these pages like this one. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a shop page exactly like this one, how you can set the price, add the photos, the video if you have one, add all of the photos of your product, type a description for it, and also how to add those details and this description as well, and how you can set your shipping and return policies. So let's just start right now. So let's close this tab, then go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps, and the first step is the shop preferences. Then you will set a name for the shop, then you will stock your shop, choose how you get paid, set up your billing or your payment processors, then you set up the shop security as well. So let's start from the first one, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So here, make sure to give it a good name. Remove the spaces between words. And you see the name is available. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is creating a listing. Add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So here, let's start with, but before adding any details, click on save and continue to see all of the required fields to fill. So here we have 4 required fields. As you can see, we have the photos, where you will need to at least upload 1 photo, the inventory, where you will need to give your product a price, the listing details, where you will need to fill all of these red fields, and last you have the shipping. Also you will need to fill the red fields, the origin postal code, and so on. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. And here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then for the video, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then for the listing details, enter the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? The product, obviously. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. So let's just go with added, for example. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have three categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, and for the category, just type your product name again, and you can choose from a lot of categories in here. So here we have the seasonal decor category, jackets and coats, garland flags and bunting, crossbody bags, banners and signs. Let's go with the first one, for example, and here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color, the secondary color of the product, the width. You can choose a unit in here, and the same thing with the height and depth. Then we have the sustainability, if it's FCC certified wood or if it's upcycled. You can choose them both, or you can choose just one. Then you have the holiday. You can also choose a one in here if it's a Eid or anything you like. Then you have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents, or you want to go with the manual, which is free and you will do it yourself. Then we have the type, if it's a physical product or a digital product, and obviously it's a physical product. Then for the description, in order to write or to type an amazing description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you have the production partners, if you have any, and for the section tags and materials, they are optional, so I'm going to leave them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing, if you want to choose a price for the product. So this is just an example. Make sure to give it a fair price for you and for the clients as well. Then we have the shipping settings. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields, enter a valid postal code, select processing time in here. Then do the same with these other ones. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges policy. You can just apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.